Fortunately, Shopify make it easy with a few steps. First thing first, head to the dashboard of Shopify. Here, click on the left side menu. You see products, then move on collections. After clicking on it, you see the collection section here. So in order to create a new collection, you click on Create Collection button. All you have to do is to fill in the collection's detail, including collection name, description, and any tag to help categorize it. Then you see on the right side here, collection availability and image. Let me make it simple for you. For example, I want to create a watch collection for men. So I type the name men's watches here. Then I type my description like that. Moving on, here you can see on the collection type, you choose the type of collections you want to create, either manually or automate. Okay, now if you choose a manual collections, select the product you want to include by clicking on Add Product button. Then choose your products by clicking on the box. If you choose automated collections, you set the condition for the product to be included in the collections, like product tag is equal to, then you fill in the blank here. You also can add more condition by clicking on the button here. Alright, now we have going through setting up collections options such as image and custom facing theme setting. Click on Add Image to add your collections picture. Note that you can also add collections via book actions if you have many products to include in the new collections. So let's finish creating collections by clicking on the Save Collections button. After saving, you see a Shopify notification that you have created your collection successfully. Next, click on the Back button here. You see my collections of men watches. To create another collection, just click on Create Collection and then take those steps again. That is all steps of adding collections. Hope that this video can help you to create your collections successfully. You might want to add products to collections but do not know how to start. Don't worry. In the next part, we'll help you to add products to the collection.